Using Absa Bank chat support is a convenient and efficient way to manage your banking needs. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the benefits and steps to get started with Absa Bank chat support. Firstly, Absa Bank chat support is available to all customers with an active account, providing 24/7 assistance for any banking-related queries or issues. The chat support platform is user-friendly and accessible through the Absa Bank website or mobile app. To get started, simply log in to your Absa Bank online banking account and navigate to the chat support section. You can then initiate a conversation with a representative by typing your query or selecting from a list of predefined topics. One of the key benefits of using Absa Bank chat support is the speed of response. Representatives are available to assist you immediately, eliminating the need to wait in long phone queues or visit a physical branch. This is particularly useful for simple queries or issues that require a quick resolution. Another advantage of Absa Bank chat support is the ability to multitask. You can continue browsing the internet or performing other tasks while waiting for a response from the representative. This saves you time and increases productivity. In addition to speed and convenience, Absa Bank chat support also provides a secure and private platform for discussing sensitive financial information. The chat is encrypted and monitored to prevent any unauthorized access or eavesdropping. To get the most out of Absa Bank chat support, it is essential to be clear and concise when describing your query or issue. Provide as much detail as possible, including any relevant account numbers or transaction references. This will enable the representative to quickly understand your concern and provide an accurate solution. Best practices for using Absa Bank chat support include being patient and courteous when interacting with representatives. They are trained to assist you and provide the best possible solution, so it is essential to treat them with respect and professionalism. In conclusion, Absa Bank chat support is a valuable resource for managing your banking needs. With its speed, convenience, and security, it provides an efficient and effective way to resolve any banking-related queries or issues. By following the steps and best practices outlined in this guide, you can get the most out of Absa Bank chat support and enjoy a seamless banking experience.